A very good morning to all my dear class 10 students. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to explain the remaining part of assignment number 2 from your SSC Lab Manual part Geography. So students, let's start. Start from book page number 21. As you can see on the screen that in this page there are 10 MCQs or multiple choice questions are present here. Just only you all have to put the tick mark on the correct answer. Then come to the next page, that is book page number 22. Here this is a map based questions. Based on this map, 4 questions are written here. You have to write down the answer of these questions. Question number 1 is name the 3 different super highways shown in the map by symbols A, B and C. So here in this picture you all can see that the super highways are marked as A, B and C. You all have to write down the name of these super highways. Then come to the next question. The next question is name the 4 megacities 1 to 4 linked by highway A. Highway A, or with the help of this point A, you all have to write down the name of the 4 mega cities here. Then come to the next question, that is name the terminal cities of each of the superhighways B and C, and also the name state in which each city is located. Okay, then the last question is explain the main feature of these super highways. So here you all have to write down just only one feature of these super highways. Then come to the next page. This page is also a picture based question. Here you can see a pie diagram is drawn here. Based on this pie diagram or pie graph, 3 questions are here. Number 1 is name any 2 industries which are dependent on natural rubber. Just only write down the name of the industries here. Number 2, which industry is the largest consumer of natural rubber? Here also you all will write only the right answer. And question number 3 is mention the climatic conditions required for production of rubber with special reference to rainfall and temperature. So here you all will write only the rainfall and the required temperature. So students, that's all for today. I hope you all understood this assignment work well. Stay safe. Thank you.